This part of the garden is called the damp garden because it does often flood, but it's never flooded so much or for so long as it did this winter. There were times when literally as far as the eye could see was just a sheet of water. The garden felt like a half-submerged island in a vast lake. Now, I know for a lot of people this is a very distressing and alarming experience, but because we've had it happen over the years 2 or 3 or 4 times a year, it doesn't worry us. But there is a real danger if it stays too long that plants will suffer. Now, in my experience, as long as the flood doesn't last for more than, say, 10 days, nothing suffers at all. You end up with everything looking rather saturated and a horrible slime everywhere, but the rain washes that off. So what I would say is if you've been flooded, do nothing. Don't panic, take stock and see what grows back. And I think you'll find almost everything will. But also consider what you could plant that could use that opportunity. Plants that relish the flooding. So in here, for example, we've deliberately chosen plants like loosestrife, which will really be happy in the wettest of conditions. Like the primulas, the candelabra primulas in particular, which don't seem to mind if they're permanently wet, even though in fact they will grow quite well in relatively dry conditions too, so a very adaptable plant. The Lysimachia, this is Lysimachia ciliata here, which really grows strongly in wet conditions. So in other words, if our weather is going to get warmer and wetter in winters, and these extreme events do seem likely, it's an opportunity to grow all those plants that need the wetness and will thrive in it.